Real quickly before we begin, I want to thank this video's sponsor, CarMarshal.com. CarMarshal.com can save you lots of money on buying used or new vehicles, cars, trucks, school buses. If you want to save money, I'll have a link in the description down below. I know I'm going to...
Louisville, Kentucky, where authorities have just released police body cam video of a deadly police shooting. The suspect refusing to drop a screwdriver. He was shot and killed. Here's ABC's Steve Osunsami.
He's got a knife or a screwdriver in his hand.
Louisville police are explaining tonight why the man seen in this police body camera video holding a screwdriver would end up dying.
Drop it! You're gonna have to drop it!
Police were responding to a call about someone being drunk and out of control. And when they arrived, 45-year-old Russell Bowman was talking back and telling them to shoot.
Upon approaching Mr. Bowman, he became confrontational. He told the officers to shoot him.
Drop it!
You see 3 officers fire their stun guns, and he's still standing.
Just drop it. We're not trying to hurt you. Just
This is where he starts charging towards one of the officers, and they start shooting.
Go! Drop this!
It's clear in one of the police body cameras that he's running with the tool towards an officer. Police aren't saying if this is suicide by cop, but say this illustrates what their officers are up against and the...
Stop! 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 Get on the ground! Stop! Get on the ground! He's got a knife or a screwdriver in his hand. Stop! Drop the screwdriver! He's headed back to the front. Back on top. Get on the ground! Stop! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
No!
Drop it!
Kill me!
Drop it!
No!
Drop it!
You're gonna have to!
Drop it!
You're gonna have to!
Drop the screwdriver! Drop the screwdriver! Drop the screwdriver! Drop it! Step back, step back, step back! Get away!
Hey, walk this!
Take some? What's going on? Drop the screwdriver, man.
Just drop it. We're not trying to hurt you. Just drop it.
Drop it!
Drop it.
Go!
Drop the...
Shots fired, radio. Shots fired. Everybody hold. Everybody hold. Drop it. Everybody hold.
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 Take hands on. Going hands on. Hold.
Okay. Y'all good? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Go ahead. Stay back. You're good. Stay back. You're good. Step back. Step back. Step back. Get away.
Hey, walk this!
Take some? What's going on? Drop the screwdriver, man. Just drop it. We're not trying to hurt you. Just drop it. No. Drop it. Drop it.
Go!
Drop it. Shots fired. Starts cars. Don't move. Drop it. Drop it.
Everybody hold. Over. Take hands on. Going hands on. Hold.
Okay.
Y'all good?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Stay back. You're good. Stay back. You're good.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use, and also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, you know, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps out, I can go full time doing this. Thanks.